Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Sbode M400 Bluetooth speaker. So I picked this up from Amazon. It came in today, and without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so as I always do, I cracked all the seals and the tape and removed all that packaging off camera because I wanted to make it a little faster, and I don't like it when you guys see me struggle on camera. So this is the box that it came in. Now it came in a big Amazon box that's off camera here. Big Amazon box like this. And it was wrapped in a bunch of protective tape and all that good stuff. So kudos Amazon, like the protection, like the really fast shipping, good stuff there. So this is the box. And I gotta say, first impressions, looking at the box, I like the layout here. So up front you have a picture of the speaker here. And then it just says Sbode M400 multifunction wireless speaker. Across the bottom, got some company branding, company logo. On the side, you got another diagram again. And it says true wireless stereo left and right. Okay? So good stuff there. Then on the back, you got a bunch of specifications. So we got wireless connectivity for iOS and Android devices. We got true stereo built into this guide with left and right channels for richer sound. We have portability and water resistance on this guy. This guy is IPX6 water resistant. So yeah, a little bit better than splash resistance, which was the M6 was splash resistant. That was IPX5, and then the Alamaze is full waterproof, IPX7. So this one is a little bit better than splash proof or jet proof. This is IPX6. Alright, water resistance. And then it says it has a 2200 milliamp hour battery built into it, rechargeable battery built in here, and you should be able to get up to 8 hours of music playback and talk time and so forth. Hands-free calling, so you have a built-in mic, so on and so forth, and you got your aux jack, and yeah, so basic stuff. And you also have a micro SD card port and FM radio functionality in here as well. So pretty good stuff in here. So that's pretty much all that says on the box. Now let's crack this box open. And you can see the speaker itself. Let's take this bad boy out with minimum struggles, hopefully. Let's take this off. And here is the speaker itself. And I gotta tell you guys, first impressions, I'm liking the look of it. Does have a nice little weight to it, so good stuff there. All the buttons and stuff is up front. I'm gonna go over that in a minute. Let me just throw this plastic off to the side. Press the speaker down here. See what else is in the package. So, let's see. Remove this portion. Nothing there. Throw that off to the side. And then we got our user manuals and our micro USB charging cable. And nothing else in the box. So let's get the box out of here. Alright, now let's crack the tape on this. And let's give it a look through on camera real fast. So, micro USB charging cables, so no Type-C on this one. Regular micro USB charging. See if we can get that to focus. So you can see it right there. Standard micro USB charging. Alright. Really long cable, really long flat cable, so good stuff. Then we got our 3.5 millimeter aux cable here. Silver plating. The gold plating is a little bit better, but we're going to test this out and we're going to let you guys know how this performs in the full review. Then we have our user manual. Throw that plastic off to the side. So here is the user manual. And let's just crack this open real quick. So what's this? Happy card. Did you like it? Did you hate it? So there you go. And they do giveaways, it looks like. So there you go. Happy? That's what you do. Not happy? That's what you do. And then it has all of their contact information, so you can follow them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Good stuff. Alright, throw that off to the side. That one kind of fell out the book. Alright, so now let's get to looking at this user manual here. Got front and back. So I'm going to just slowly pan this across. So feel free to pause and read for yourselves. The main important stuff in here we're going to go through on the full review. But if y'all want to pause and read, you can do so. So pretty much basically everything I already covered when we walked around the box. So Bluetooth functionality 4.1. Stereo sound with right and left channels. And we got an aux cable here. We have a micro SD card slot there. And it's IPX6 water resistant. Okay, on this side you can see it has a 2200 milliamp hour battery in it. You can see the outputs, you can see the inputs. And over here, you can see some of the functionality there. Alright. And some button placement. So let's flip it over. Try not to drop the book like a noob. And here we go. Again, pause and read if you would like to do so. Get to panning. And there you go. So that pretty much does it for the user manual. And pack this up. Now let's walk around the speaker and then we're going to go ahead and wrap this video up here. Let me take these cables out the frame. Alright, so up front here you can see got our power on off button. We got our Bluetooth / phone call take or end button. Got volume up and down, play pause, and another button here. I'm not sure what that button does. I'll check that in a minute when I stop the video. But yeah, first impressions, I'm liking the speaker. It seems really rugged. Again, it has a really nice weight in the hand, and I think it's going to be really good. Really good indeed. And nice subtle company branding here. Really hard for me to catch on camera. There you go. And again, a big shout out to Meyer R. As y'all know, because I said it in the other Sbode Bluetooth speaker, Meyer R requested that I pick up a Sbode Bluetooth speaker and do some videos on it. Or Meyer R, I'm not sure how you pronounce that. But did not specify which one. So I pretty much grabbed all the Sbode speakers that I could find on Amazon and threw them in the cart. So this is speaker number 2 from Sbode, and again this is the Sbode M400 Bluetooth wireless speaker. But yeah, that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions of this Bluetooth speaker here. Again, first impressions are pretty good. I'm liking the look, I'm liking the design, I'm liking the weight of it. Everything seems pretty straightforward, so good stuff there. Let me see if I could find the charging port before I wrap up here. That must be what's under this tab. So there we go. Yep. So micro USB charging. Get that to focus. Sorry guys. Sorry guys, get that to focus up. Micro USB charging port, 3.5mm aux jack, and micro SD card slot neatly tucked away behind this company branded slot here. So good stuff there. And yeah, anywho, that has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Sbode M400 Bluetooth speaker. As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I post new videos. As usual, this full review should be out in a week and a half to 2 weeks from the posting of this video. So we're going to go ahead and get it in. And yeah, if you guys, if this video has piqued your interest, all links to where to pick up this Bluetooth speaker will be located down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, check out the video description. It's going to be like a one-stop shop down there. You're going to be able to find everything you need to know. Alright, I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and as always, if you guys know anyone out there looking for some high quality performing devices and products at some really great prices, please share with them my channel, because I'm doing this for everyone, because we all deserve the best. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace. Have a good one, y'all.